Hey guys, welcome to I Think It. My name is Ingrid. One of the questions that I get asked the most is what do I eat? As some of you already know, I have food allergies and also food sensitivities. So I follow a vegan, gluten-free diet, free of soy, free of nuts, free of pea protein, lentils, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. So today I'm going to show you that it is possible to follow a plant-based diet despite having a lot of food allergies. If you want to learn what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all the snacks in between, then let's start this video. For breakfast, I'm going to start with oatmeal. I usually use gluten-free oats and oat milk. I mix it with fruits. In this case, I'm going to add strawberries and banana. Another thing I love to add is chia seeds. I mix everything and my breakfast is ready. For lunch, I'm going to start by cooking a bean soup. First, I wash the beans and then I add the water. I also like to add 2 tablespoons of garlic. In my case, I like to get the one that is already chopped. Then I like to cut some onions and add it to the soup. You can also add cilantro and some salt. Alright, so the bean soup is ready. It took 2 hours for it to be done. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut all the veggies. In order to make salad wraps, I'm going to start by peeling off the skin of the carrots and then I'm going to shred them. Once you're done, add your shredded carrots into a salad bowl. Let's go ahead and continue cutting tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes, but you can use the regular Roma tomatoes. Cut some avocado too. Add lime juice, black pepper, pink Himalayan salt, and mix everything. Once your salad is ready, go ahead and add the kidney beans into your mix. Grab 2 big leaves of lettuce and we're going to use this as our salad wraps, so that way you can just add your filling and now you are ready to serve. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button and turn that notification bell if you want to receive notifications every time I Think It uploads a new video. Thank you for watching and continue with the remaining part of the video. Hey guys, so it's time for a snack and actually I can't wait to finally use my new food processor. We are going to be making an ice cream. In order to make an ice cream, you're going to need frozen fruits. I really like to add frozen berries and bananas. Well, you're always going to need bananas to give it that creamy texture. Blend everything in your food processor. Now, let's go ahead and add 1 cup of your favorite plant-based milk. And now your ice cream is ready. You can serve it as it is, or you can also add any toppings. I really like to add chocolate chips. These are top 8 allergen free from Nestle. If you are wondering which utensils I use and also cookware, I'm going to link everything in the description box below. Alright, it is time to cook my dinner. You notice that I had oats in the morning, beans for lunch, and for dinner I'm going to have beans. This is probably my main source of protein since I'm allergic to soy, peas, and lentils. But you get creative with them and you get to try different recipes and they always taste really good. So I'm gonna heat those up in a moment, but before I do that, I'm going to prepare sweet potato fries. I am really obsessed with this recipe, especially after I came back from Europe. This is one of the main vegetables that I've added into my diet. Let's go ahead and start making our sweet potato fries. You're going to need to slice your sweet potato. Usually I don't remove the skin. Make sure that you cut it in thin slices. As you know, I don't cook with oil, and the same applies when I bake. I'm just gonna add 2 cups of water into my pan, and then I will add all my sweet potato fries. I like to add seasoning. In this case, we're going to add potato fries, seasoning, and Himalayan salt. Once this is done, you're going to need to bake your sweet potato fries for 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While we wait on our sweet potatoes, let's start serving the rest of the side dishes. We're just gonna add kidney beans. I'm also going to add quinoa. Quinoa, you make it the same way as you make rice. I'm going to have to explain you in a different video. I love to add avocado, so we're just going to add some avocado and also lime juice on top of it and a little bit of pink salt. Once your sweet potato fries are ready, go ahead and serve them in your plate. Hey guys, so this is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoy getting to learn what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and the snack that I show you. I also had popcorn and I forgot to film that, but that is just one safe snack that I can have. And usually what I do is that I just cook it in my stove and I put no oil and it just poops within a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do is click this red button. And if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video, then hit that bell. I hope you guys get creative. This is just an idea of what I will typically eat on a day. Sometimes I switch my breakfast and I have a toast, or I will switch my lunch and dinner. This is where I get to be the most creative because you can try it and make whatever you want with beans. So it's really fun, and I know that in upcoming videos I'm going to be showing you more recipes. So make sure to always come back to I Tinker, click that subscription button, and I hope to see you next week with a new video. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.